Salutare omnes, this is Magister Cobb, and in this video we're going to walk through on how to decline a first declension word. We want to set up our chart with the 5 rows for the cases, the 2 columns for singular and plural, and in this example we are going to do our word for girl. So what we want to first do is list out both forms of the word. And for girl, that is puella and puellai. We're going to take that first form, we're going to drop and stop. We take that first form and drop it into the first slot. We then find our base. We find our base by going to our second principal part and chopping off the AE. The stumpy part that's left over, puel, is our base. We then take our base and fill out the rest of the chart. So that's puel, 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 and my personal favorite, puel. And then we simply add our endings. A, E, A, E, ardum, is, as, is. And notice on the ablative singular, there is an essential macron on that A. And that's how we do it. Hope this helps. Talk to you later.